Thanks for joining us today and welcome to GBA Knowledge Minutes. Today we're going to talk about capillary plot columns. Plot columns with a difference which come integrated with particle trap technology. Now I will unbox a new column for you and you can see the contents inside. Nowadays columns do come with an option of a smart key which enables column traceability. The USB smart key is encoded with serial number of the column. The moment you plug it in the GC, the system knows its temperature limits, physical dimensions and stationary phase. And also it is shipped along with the performance summary certificate. It contains all the relevant parameters like theoretical plates, retention indices and a chromatogram. It is very useful quality information for this column. Now I will show you how a plot-PT column is different than a normal column. This column is made from fused silica tubing and is coated with porous polymer inside. And as you can see here, there is a different color of tubing at both ends of the column, which is 2.5 meters of particle trap integrated with the plot column. This prevents all dislodged particles from leaving the column and flow downstream, which may damage valves, plug tubing and give spike in your detector. You may be wondering what is this blue rubber tube doing here, which is connecting both ends of the column, making it airtight so no moisture or oxygen goes inside and your column stays healthy. This integrated particle trap technology reduces maintenance costs by virtually eliminating particle shedding and help produce quality results. Thanks for joining us today's GBA Knowledge Minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe us on LinkedIn page, and you may also contact us on these toll-free numbers.